if you are looking for something on P2P, if you are getting to know more about P2P, this particular video is for you. And I'm going to be using both the Bybit and also the Binance for this particular tutorial. So we're going to be talking about the two. We're going to compare the one that is actually much better and how you can actually navigate this without having issues. So howdy, welcome back to my channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumb like so we can continue by doing that, right? So thank you for giving this video a thumb like. So if you come to this particular site on your Binance account, this is Bybit. So you come right to this particular site. So on Bybit, you make sure you click on more. They are going to see P2P trading at this particular site. So for those that don't know about P2P, P2P is actually like peer-to-peer, where you can actually exchange your coin to any other value you want by trading with other persons. So Binance and Bybit is actually a platform that actually gives you opportunity to get that done. So let's go back into the Binance. So on Binance, when we go to P2P right here, all you need to do is to search P2P. So if you come back here, we're just going to click on search. So you're going to see P2P trading right here. So once you click on it, you're going to see P2P and you click on it. So you're going to see the current price of market, right? So how do you actually buy without getting scammed? How do you buy without losing your money? And this is what we're going to be doing in this particular video. So let's come back to this. So if you are going to use your Bybit for this, right? So once you actually open this and you want to buy, so the first thing you're going to be doing is to input the amount. Is that you're buying or selling? It works in both areas, what we're going to be talking about, right? So you click on let's just say we want to buy. So I'm going to click on the amount I want to buy, right? So currently I'm using Naira as my current my currency, right? Because this particular Bybit rather, they actually support Naira, right? But when it comes to what we have on the Binance, in my particular country right here, this is not supported. But if you're in US, UK, Canada, and all, you might want to use Binance, right? So for people in Nigeria, you're going to focus more on the Bybit, right? So you're going to input the amount you want to like buy. So let's assume I want to buy no, let me just say 150,000. So that's about $100 in USDT, like $100. I'm going to click on confirm, right? So once I click on confirm, then I'll select the coin I want to buy. So I'm buying USDT right here. I'm actually buying USDT. So I'm going to see the price of the USDT that I can actually buy, the little price right here. So you can see we have price. So how do you know someone that is actually legit that you can buy for? Firstly, you need to do just go ahead to filter, click on filter right here. So you're going to see show only eligible ads. So these are ads that are actually eligible on this particular platform and has been verified for a long. I can click on this show only verified advertiser rather. So this is one area you can also do, people that are actually verified on this. So but not every time I like owning this particular stuff, but this one is actually very important for me, right? So I'm going to click on this send. I'm going to look for the person I want to buy for. So another thing I'm going to look for right here is actually the order, right? So if you actually say, you can see this particular person has about 3,579 orders right here, and it has this 99%, right? So if you actually check, you are going to notice that this green light right here is actually turning on, which means this particular person is online. So let's check out this particular one. So if you see this green light right here that is not coming up, right, so it means this person is not online, so you can't trade with this person because there's no how they're going to get to reply to you. And if you actually check the score is actually still okay. So maybe the person went on break, right? So but if you can see this particular one, right, this particular person has actually not gone through many order and is not online. So this is a no for us, right? So let's go back into the Binance. On Binance, if you actually come, so it's actually almost the same pattern, right? So on Binance, let's go on sell, because we actually did buy on the other side. So let's go on sell, right? So if we click on the currency you want to click on, you buy, right? So before you continue, please give this video a thumb like, and if you have a question, go straight to the comment section and drop a question about that. What else do you want to know about this particular project? I'm going to make more further video for you right here. So you can actually change your currency. Also you can change it to wherever country you are watching from. You can just click on this particular logo right here and change it, then click on the one you want to use. So this is the same stuff. So I'm going to click in on the amount I want to buy. So as I did in the earlier side, I'm going to click on $100, then click on continue, so I can see the price of people I can currently buy with, right? So this is one thing you need to know about. Also, you can see you can go ahead to do the filter the same way we did it on that other one to see the person that is verified, who is online, and thereabout. So if you actually click on back, you are going to see right here we have this particular one is online, and it has actually done about 318 trades in the last maybe 24 hours or so, right? So I are going to see the mark, which is the 100%. So another thing is very important to check the bank that this particular person is using. So this is using Pioneer or Paya or something. So if your country is eligible and is accepting this particular one, if this is what we are going to be using to receive your payment, why it is good to you. So you check out, you can see this particular one is using another thing, another bank right here, and it's online, and this has been the trade right here. So that is basically how to stay safe on P2P platform and many more. So I'll be making more further video, and if you have question, I just like to be specific about a particular topic and let's talk about it, not to make this video very long, so that you can enjoy and go to do whatever you want to do in your personal life. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.